In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Font Awesome icons into your Webflow project using the CDN method, which is highly recommended for optimizing speed. This process will not only enhance your web design, but also ensure your icons load quickly and efficiently. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to generate a Font Awesome kit. If you haven't done so already, head over to the Font Awesome website and create a free account. Creating an account is straightforward and an essential step as it allows you to access a personalized kit just for you. This kit will generate a unique embed code tailored specifically for your project, ensuring everything runs smoothly. Once your account is set up, follow the instructions on the Font Awesome platform to create your very own kit. Now that you have your kit ready, the next step is to copy the kit embed code. Upon generating your kit, Font Awesome will provide you with a script tag tailored to your needs. This script contains all the necessary resources your project will require to access the Font Awesome icons. Simply locate this tag, copy it, and we'll move on to the next stage. With your script tag on hand, it's time to embed it in your Webflow project. To do this, navigate to the custom code settings within Webflow. Here you'll find a section labeled Head Code. This is where you'll want to paste your copied script tag. By placing the script tag here, Font Awesome has the necessary information to properly load the icons on all your pages. After you have embedded the script, it's time to add the icons you want to use. Head over to your Webflow designer interface and drag an embed element onto your canvas exactly where you want your icon to appear. The embed element is like a blank canvas that will hold your code snippets, or in our case, your icon's HTML. Next, let's insert the icon code. Head back to the Font Awesome website and browse for the perfect icon that fits your needs. Once you've found it, copy the icon's HTML code. It typically looks like. Go back to Webflow, and within the embed element, paste this code. You should immediately see your selected icon appear in the designer. Finally, we can style the icons to fit your desired aesthetic. Webflow allows you to customize the appearance of these icons using CSS. You have full control to modify properties such as size, color, and spacing by targeting the or elements that house the icons. Experiment with different styles to ensure your icons align perfectly with the design and theme of your project. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently bolster your Webflow project with sleek Font Awesome icons, adding a polished touch to your design. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!